Hello, it's me Ems, and in this video we're talking about broccoli. Broccoli is an edible green plant in the cabbage family whose large flowering head, stalk, and small associated leaves are eaten as a vegetable. And broccoli is one of a vegetable that the plant in Baguio and Benguet. So ayan po guys, karamihan sa mga tanim ng farmers sa amin is mga gulay, gaya ng broccoli at iba pang mga gulay na pwedeng itanim sa malamig na lugar. So ayan, ganyan po kalawak. Mayroon pang mas malawak na farm. And then kapag mag-harvest sila, mapupuno yung truck or yung iba't ibang sasakyan at dadalhin nila sa market para ibenta. So ayan po guys. Yan ang buhay farmer sa amin sa Baguio and Benguet. Sorry guys ha, kasi yung taga-video ko magalaw. Baguhan pa lang kasi hindi pa siya masyadong marunong humawak ng cellphone. So ayan na guys. Pinapakita yung broccoli sa aming lugar. Broccoli will be ready for harvest in 55 to 85 days after seeding. When the broccoli heads are firm and tight, cut them off with a sharp knife. If the heads with buds are beginning to separate into yellow flowers, it means the broccoli is past its peak. Namumulaklak na over na yan, kaya hindi na pwedeng ibenta. So ayan na po guys, punong-puno na po yung truck at dinalhin na po yan sa market para ibenta. And thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to notify you for more videos. Hugs and have a good day.